Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jose. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching. If you're not new here, y'all already know what the drill is, all right? So make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
I want my name to be a household product.
Okay guys, so for today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing, and I have it right here. This little tiny box. I hope you guys can see it. I have been holding off on opening this for a while now, just so I can open it with you guys and get a first impression, first reaction. But here it is. You see it? It is from Coach. Yes, another Coach bag. Coach has been doing his big one, so I could not help myself. Okay guys, here we go. The unboxing starts now. There's a little thank you for your purchase card, and then a little card here. I think this is a message that my brother actually got me this bag. So kudos to you. And it says, congratulations on all your success. Now go away. Oh, he's so sweet. All right guys, so then we're gonna go in here. He got me this for my birthday gift, and like I said, it was gonna be a birthday gift, and I already see a problem. Not like a problem, but it's a problem. We got this gift wrapped, and it doesn't come in any boxes. That's strike number 1 for Coach. We got a gift wrap, and it did not come gift wrap, it just came like this. This is standard for Coach. I used to work for them, and whoever boxed this up, I know there was a box there available. All right, I know there was a box, but that's not important. All right, here we go. Time to unwrap this. Oh my goodness. Look how tiny this little thing is. And it comes with the little straps. Oh my goodness. How do you open this? Okay, let me take this, all the wrapping off. I didn't know it was gonna come like this. Let me take it off and then we'll come back. Well, I'll come back here. Okay guys, here is the bag. Here's a little close-up. This is the Rogue Top Handle 12 in multicolor. It's black with the gold hardware. Here you go. And then we have the top handle right here. We have the back. There's an open pocket for you. And the way you open this is you push up. And there you go. There you have it, and it's kind of like an accordion style. So you have like 4 pockets here. You have 1 here, 4 pockets here, and then you have the little Coach dog tag. And you have one thing about Coach, they're gonna give you some versatility. So you can top handle, you can do this one with the gold chain, and then it has another one for a crossbody. You have multiple ways to wear this, but what I'm gonna do, I'm either gonna do the top handle here and then this gold one right here, like, ta-da! You know what I mean? Look, and it's so cute. It is made out of genuine glove-tanned leather. Wait, can we move it this way? Glove-tanned leather. So that just basically means, if y'all didn't know, they only made baseball gloves, and this is the leather that they use. So that means this leather is gonna age so nicely. And look, even the gold chain has the detailing. Do you see that? The detailing, like, get into it, y'all. This is such a cute bag. This is not my everyday bag. I didn't get it for that reason. I got this for like a going out bag, brunch bag, just like something that is easy to carry. I don't want to carry a lot of stuff. I mean, look at this bag. There's not a lot of things that you can carry anyways, but that's not what it's for. It's for the look. All right guys, so if you're gonna get this bag, don't expect to put a lot in it, because You really can't. This is just for the look. And if you're the type of girly or the type of man that doesn't carry a lot of things, then this is a bag for you. If you know you're just gonna go in and out, hang out with the girls, get a few drinks, this is the bag for you. I mean, that's why I got it, and I love it so far. The only thing is that, like I said, you can't be able to carry a lot of things, but I'm gonna see what fits in this bag. By the looks of it, it's the only thing that's gonna fit here is my hopes and dreams and a stick of gum. So let's see how that works. I mean, I feel like I can put like, I maybe can put like a car keys here. Definitely a few credit cards. But that's it. Like, I feel like you can't really put much. Like I said, this is a nice bag to go out in. Look at the gold hardware. All right, guys, I brought my essentials, like what I think I would want to carry for in this bag. So that's going to be my car keys, my wallet, and my hand sanitizer and my hand lotion. So we're gonna see what fits in here. Right now, we're gonna try the keys. All right, the keys fit in there. Now, the only thing is that like it's made out of leather, so I'm scared that my keys are gonna scratch the inside, which is not that big of a deal. Like, it's the inside, I'm the only one that's gonna be looking at it, but I still don't want it scuffed up, you know? Keys go in there. I can't put in my wallet with the keys in there. I'll put the wallet in by itself. And it seems to fit in that big pocket. Closes up like that. It doesn't look too bulky, which I like, but it's like, it's hard to take out. Okay, so we're just gonna do it with like a credit card. Put this credit card in the front. Keys in the back. We're gonna do a hand sanitizer. Maybe put this one in the back. It sticks out. I don't know if I like that look. So yeah, guys, that's all it fits here. If you like that bulky look on the side, if you like that bulky look, I would suggest go for it, do it, and carry it like that. I personally don't like that bulky look. I like it just to look sleek and the way it was, the way God intended it to be. So that's the only thing that I could carry here is my keys and a credit card, which I'm totally fine with that. All right, guys, there is my unboxing. I really like this bag. I can't wait to wear it out. Thank you so much for coming to this video and looking at my unboxing. I really had fun, and I want to know your honest opinion in the comments to say if you guys should get this bag or if you're just gonna enjoy it in this video. Whichever one it is, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.